Hi everyone, so I've created a blog project using React, Node.js and MySQL. So today I'll giving a walk around of how I created it and how it looks like. So let's go to Safari, and this is how it looks like. So we have all the categories over here, so we can select Android, iOS, macOS, Linux. So this will display as we select the category itself. So if I click on login, so let's log in now. I've kept the password to be seen so that it makes easy. Actually, I forgot to add to make it hidden, so that is why it is like this right now. So I'm logged in, and here if you can see, it is saying my name along with the icon to create a new blog post. Yeah. So in the backend we have used Express and Node along with MySQL database. So suppose we want to edit, suppose this is my post. Okay, I've created this post, and if I click on this, so it is written by Vasi, and if you can see, I have the options to edit and delete post. So this will be enabled only if I have logged in as the author. So suppose the person called Raj logged in and this doesn't belong to Raj, so it will not be showing edit and post buttons over here. So let's log out and click on login again, and let's see the register page. So this is how it looks like. So we can register a new account over here as well. Let's log in and let's try to add a new blog post. Sign in. Okay, so this is let's search for some blogs. So let's compose a new blog post. I'll just paste the URL of the image and just now I'll paste the heading over here, and now I'll post just a small bit of this description. I will select macOS, I think. Yeah, it will be macOS only. Let's add a post. So it is successfully added and it is showing a few seconds ago. So this, I've used a package called Moments. This is an npm package which you can use. So this is an npm package called Moment which you can use, and it actually deletes the current date and with the date which was created. So this is how I'm getting this thing a few seconds ago. So if I click on this, see, this is a few seconds ago, edit post, delete post. This is how it looks like. So suppose I log out, I've logged out again, and for authentication, I'll tell you, for authentication I've used JWT token along with sessions. So this is how the APIs are going to work, and if I click on this, see, you don't have the edit and delete button over here. So but there are a lot of things which you can add into this, but to be honest, you don't have to create a blog post. Just if you want to just add a portfolio, if you want to add into your portfolio, then you can add it to create a blog post. But I'll say this is just a boring project, but if you want to play a concept with MySQL along with Node.js and React, then you can go for this, and just to add your portfolio, increase your portfolio, to do a new project which you haven't done before, then you can definitely go with this. But yeah, again, this is just a boring project. It's nothing interesting. There's something, you have to create something which is more interesting for a college project or just to show it in your portfolio, I'll suggest. So this I've created just to tweak around with blogs, just to make this video, to be honest. So yeah, let's go to the codes and okay. So I've got client folder in which I've got all the this front end things written over there. So this is complete React, and this server folder, this is completely Node.js. Okay, and along with that we have used bycrypt to basically to encrypt the password when we are logging in. So we have used cause for API calls, like we don't get cause error. Express, JSON web token I've already told you, because we need to create a token for authentication, and I've used MySQL along with Node.js. So you can skip this one. I just installed Node.js just because I just wanted to like for you, by using Node.js you can you don't have to write a node start again and again. So this is how it works, and I'll keep this in this description, the complete code, so you can go through it, tweak around it. I'll suggest you go and some work on the security point of this, but again, this is just a boring project. You just understand how it works, the concept, and you should create something which is more interesting, like some clone or something, but not exactly a blog post in 2023. It is a very boring project, and it is very common actually. So who uses blog project like in today's world? So this is how it looks, and I'll be giving the source code in the description, so you can tweak around it. If you have any issues, you can tell me in the comment. I'll try to answer it. And also, if you want me to make something more interesting in MySQL, then you can definitely comment it down below, so I'll create something interesting project using MySQL and React. Okay, so that is it in this walk around video. If you want to know more, if you have any questions, you can definitely comment down below. I'll try to answer everyone. Thank you. Bye.